incidence of bullying against American Muslim kids is almost twice the national average. What's worse is that kids are fairly unlikely to actually tell an adult that they are being bullied. As a parent or community leader, what are you doing to help support our Muslim youth? Invite the Family and Youth Institute to your community for our comprehensive, in-depth bullying prevention workshop to learn more about research and recommendations that can help you identify the signs and support your children. In this workshop, you will learn how to identify the signs of bullying, including cyberbullying, microaggressions, and physical bullying, what to do after you find out your child is being bullied, and how to strengthen your child's identity and build resilience. The FYI workshops are packed with research-based information, skill-building breakout sessions, and a number of resources participants leave with in hand to tackle issues.
The FYI's bullying prevention workshop was wonderfully presented. It was down to earth and relatable. It made me look deeply at my role as a parent and educator and has helped me change my behavior. This workshop gives you ways to look at your kids and recognize bullying if it is happening. I walked away with so many resources.
Schedule a workshop for your community today. Email us at info@thefyi.org. Check out our other bullying prevention resources at thefyi.org.